सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
A few days back, the Reserve Bank of India has launched the National Strategy for Financial Education 2020-2025. It is a strategic plan to be implemented for the next 5 years. This is the second NSFE, that is the National Strategy for Financial Education. The first was launched in 2013. The second NSFE 2020-2025 has been launched with an aim to achieve financial literacy and empowerment of India. In today's edition of our DNS, we will learn about NSFE and know its key points. As mentioned above, RBI has launched National Strategy for Financial Education. It aims to inculcate financial literacy and its concept to various sections of the population of the country. Within this, schools and colleges going student will also be included. It will be done with the help of financial education so that financial literacy becomes a life skill. Let us know about some of the key points of NSFE. In its second national strategy, the bank has come up with 5 crore action approach. It has also highlighted the 5 C's, within which are capacity, content, collaboration, communication, and community. Content here refers to the school's curriculum. Capacity is used to refer to developing capacity in intermediaries involved in financial services. Communication and community will be used for creating a community-led model for financial literacy using the communication strategy. Collaboration will be used to improve the partnership among various stakeholders. Adopting robust monitoring and framework has also been suggested within this strategy, which will help to keep a check on the progress made. The strategy will emphasize on several areas, including imparting knowledge about rights, duties, and avenues for grievance redressal, improve research and evaluation methods to assess progress in financial education, among others. It will also look at standardizing the content for financial literacy for school children, teachers, young adults, women, new entrants at the workplace, entrepreneurs, senior citizens, persons with disabilities, illiterate people, etc. The strategy mentions that integrated financial education content in school curriculum, numerous professional and vocational courses will be run, undertaken by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship through their sector skilling mission and the likes of B.Ed or M.Ed program. Besides creating content, it will also empower those imparting financial education. It will also help to develop the capacity of various intermediaries who can be involved in providing financial literacy and develop a code of conduct for financial education providers. It also mentions about the preparation of an information dashboard for the general public. Not only this, it also aims at integrating financial education dissemination as part of various ongoing programs, streamline efforts of the stakeholders for financial literacy, including financial awareness, knowledge, skills, attitude, and behavior necessary to make sound financial decisions and ultimately achieve individual financial well-being. Now moving forward, let us know some points about the NCFE. The first NSFE was launched by the National Center for Financial Education, that is NCFE. It is a Section 8 not-for-profit company promoted by Reserve Bank of India, Securities and Exchange Board of India, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, and Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Its vision is a financially aware and empowered India. Its key objective is to spread financial education across India for all sections of the society.